In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate GetResponse with Facebook ads. By the end, you'll have your Facebook ads account and pages connected to GetResponse so you can work more smoothly without switching between platforms. Before we begin, make sure you're using a desktop browser, you're signed into the correct Facebook profile in another tab, and you have the right permissions on the Facebook ad account and pages you plan to use. Start by logging into your GetResponse account. Once you're in, look for the area where all connections live. You'll find it under Integrations and API in your main navigation. This is the hub where GetResponse lets you connect with other tools, and it's where the Facebook Ads integration sits. Inside Integrations and API, find Facebook Ads. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar to type Facebook Ads. When it appears, click Details. This opens an overview of the integration so you can confirm you're in the right place and see what the connection enables. Next, click Connect. This will prompt a Facebook window to open. If you don't see a window, check your browser's pop-up blocker and allow pop-ups for GetResponse. In the prompt, choose the Facebook account you want to use. If you manage multiple ad accounts or pages, pick the profile that owns or has admin access to the specific assets you'll work with in GetResponse. Now log into Facebook if you're not already signed in and authorize the connection. You'll see a permissions screen. Review it carefully. This is where you confirm which ad accounts and pages you're allowing GetResponse to access. It's best to keep the toggles on for the assets you plan to use, and you can limit access to only what's necessary for your workflow. If Facebook asks for additional verification, complete it and continue. Once the authorization is approved, you'll be taken back to GetResponse. You'll see your connected Facebook ads account and your pages listed right there. This is your confirmation that everything worked. If something looks off, maybe a page is missing, refresh the page, verify you're logged into the right Facebook profile, and confirm that you have the proper permissions in Facebook business settings. That's it. You've connected GetResponse with Facebook ads. From here, your accounts are linked, and you're ready to move forward inside GetResponse with your advertising tasks. If you ever need to revisit the connection, you can return to Integrations and API to review or adjust settings. Thanks for watching, and great job getting your tools integrated.